giant sleeping dragon has awakened. China has risen from a third world country in the 1980s to the second largest economy in the world. From an agricultural country to become the factory of the world. From sleepy little towns to world metropolis. From a communist country to become the envy of the world. However, all these were not possible if China has not been importing oil to fuel its economy. China is built on oil. From a net producer of oil in the 1990s to become the largest oil importer in the world. From a low oil-consuming country to the world's most aggressive buyer and hoarder of oil. Because China knows that if they do not have enough oil in reserves, its economy and military can be paralyzed if their oil imports were impeded. In 2014, crude oil was selling around $145 per barrel. By 2015, crude oil had fallen below $30 per barrel. Then, in November 2015, the Chinese government deregulated the importation of oil, allowing the smaller refineries to buy directly from outside suppliers. Since then, China has increased their oil import by leaps and bounds. In 2016, China's oil imports jumped 17%. We expect oil imports to increase at the same pace as 2016. We also expect oil prices to remain between $40 to $60. Herein lies our unique business opportunity. 1. Great demand due to the building of China's oil reserves. 2. Huge oil consumption daily. China currently consumes 10.2 million barrels per day. 3. Lower oil prices. The merging of these three reasons has created a very unique opportunity for us at Coastal Crescent Energy. Crude oil trade is a very unique and profitable business. The key to success is to secure the oil supply. The success is only reserved for those who have the money and know-how. The process is quite simple. We secure the oil using bank instruments, and then we lock in with a buyer in China. Many brokers have cheated many Chinese buyers. This makes Coastal Crescent Energy a safe and secure supplier, as we will have sufficient funding to execute these oil transactions. Our sources of revenue will include trade in diesel, sugar, CPO, and rice. We become a diversified supplier of oil and oil products in this region. As China and the neighboring regions consume more, demand will continue to grow. Coastal Crescent Energy, making our future with crude oil, sugar, rice, diesel, and jet fuel trades. Coastal Crescent Energy, the trusted supplier of oil in Southeast Asia. Coastal Crescent Energy, your business partner. Coastal Crescent Energy, listed in Hong Kong by 2020. Come to Coastal Crescent Energy and share our opportunities.